Yardie TV, and today we are on a journey, an exciting journey, because it's our Jamaican Jerk Festival, and we're en route to the festival, and it's important because Yardie, our very own Yardie, will be gracing the stage at the festival. And the festival is pretty much a celebration of Jamaican culture, Jamaican food, all things Jamaican, right? And of course, comedy is by far one of the most, important things from our culture. So he's privileged to be a part of the few that will be there in that capacity. So Yardie, how you feel about that?
Well, you know that I'm a big thing, you understand? So, like I'm a big thing, I'm just going out there to show the world that I'm very eloquent and supernatural.
Magnificent.
And magnificent, yes. Like Papa San said, permanent.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Hopefully we can, take you guys along the journey. If it doesn't get too crazy, we hope to be vlogging today and just showing you highlights, especially of him being on the stage. It's very interesting. We've been there before, but never in this capacity. It is very interesting.
I've actually worked on the stage before. Remember?
Yeah, but yes.
Not as a comedian. I wore costumes to represent the national heroes. I was Bustamante.
Okay, yes. And we have the Josh the Real in the back there, repping Jamaica in his jersey. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Whatever you want to call it. You're repping Jamaica. Big up yourself, big up yourself. And of course, our Yardie TV hats, ain't they popping? Live and popping. Yardie TV hats are on fleek. Remember me tell you. See it, yeah? Remember me tell you. So yeah. Alright, so we will catch up with you all later. So this is.
And we are the big stage right now. Yes, thank you for the reminder, Bridget. This is the big stage. And we big up. We have people like I said. We have Queen Maxine coming. We have Auntie Nadine. She ever put on a dance here. Yes, man. And we have the Caribbean kids who are coming up. We have a fashion show. And Lord have mercy. We're going to have a show within a show. But there will be a comedy show as well. We're going to have our Laka Ellis. He's here. We're going to have Christopher Johnny Daly. And we're going to have sendtohope. So yes, man, big things going on the stage. And as them setting up and getting going, remember the marketplace. See some people coming around with some market producers.
So here we have all the sponsorship tents and booths, and that is surrounding the cultural stage that is sponsored by Western Union. And this is the showplace for all Jamaican companies, Caribbean affiliated companies. You want to come over and, just introduce your product or your services to the general population and, interact with people, all the expatriates who are living in South Florida. That's what they do at this little area of the Jerk Festival. Yes. You can not only get information from the different organizations, but you can also sample some of the products here that them have displaying, like all the Grace Patty. Yes, man, more sample.
Thank you.
Alright, so the performances start now, so make we take in some of the performances.
My queen, so don't talk to me, cause she was Satan, just beauty. But hey, mama, you're number one. She places signs down in the best selection. When mama, yeah, she you could never go wrong. Get the verdict to me. Through his words, my mind will prosper. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Good afternoon, Jerkfest. I know this is the cultural stage, not full up, and everybody come down that segment and know me a ball out. This is the town choir segment. Blacker Ellis, I must say we have a bad Jamaican comedian with a name, Reverend Sendtohope. They're about to take it to this evening in the name of Jesus. And I love him. I love the church people. I'm see church. Every Jamaican used to go to church. All the thing, look here, every Jamaican people used to go to church. Pato Blacker. Fi. Swing. No. Fi. Swing. Fi. 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 F-I. Fi. Fi. Like V-5-4-4. So it's a shoulder fit. In other words, shoulder to be flinging. So you must fling your shoulder, right? So this is the movement. Aye. One more time. Aye. Young man, you're gonna do the shoulder flinging. You ready? This is it. Now, to make it easier, step out with your right foot, put the right foot in front, and then fling the right shoulder. So when you move the right foot, right shoulder flings. You get it? Ready again? One more time. All right. Get the chronic stuff in the place, sir. That's what I want to know.
I know everybody have a life.
You can make that one? You shake it to the beat, to the song. You ready, sir? You ready? Right foot.
Let's
keep that. Let's keep up your level. Are you ready, young man? Wait for the rhythm, sir. Wait for the rhythm. Rhythm now. Step back with it. Step back with it. Ready again. Oh, everybody good. Everybody good. Ready again.
Success no come over night.
Yeah.
No substance over night.
That's ready, Bob. Ready now. Keep that up. Jamaican in his heart, and this gentleman is not just an ordinary Jamaican. He's one of those Jamaicans that have come to the United States and have made a lot of progress, a lot of good for himself, and I've watched him as a stand-up comedian go from strength to strength, and the man just funny version. The man is like be a joke. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the next comedian? Say yeah. Me not hear your man cultural stage. Are you ready for the next comedian? Say yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure send some line up. I mean General this. Who do welcome on the stage now, please. Wanna start clapping, Captain ready. Reverend Sendtohope. Run the tune.
Yeah. Check one. Yeah.
Yes.
All good. When you're running them wire.
How we feel. Ladies and gentlemen. What I'm saying, fling the shoulder. I said I'm saying what the camera do. Alright, selector. Done. Lord help me. Maybe I try fling the shoulder, I'm nearly fling out the whole of my back. The man new Jamaican singer, may I tell you. How you doing? Everybody good? Everybody okay? How you feeling? You feeling alright? You're good? It's nice to be here. Let me see all those who live in Broward County. We have an honor for the living in Broward County. Big up on yourself, Broward County. All those from Dade County. Let me hear the Dade people them. 1 and 2. People them come from Jamaica, they come to Broward. Nobody know I'm going to Dade. I'm going to tell them, say, I live in Miami. Hear them, you live in Miami?
Me I say, yes, me live in Miami. And somewhere we come from back to. Come a foreign and I show up in Miami. Big up on yourself, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Reverend Saint Hope. It's a pleasure to be here. Yes, Saint Hope is my real name. And I'm not Asian. Because normally when Jamaican hear Saint in the name, they think I'm Haitian. But I'm not Asian, I'm Jamaican. Saint Hope is my real name. All the people that who survive Irma, wave to me, wave to me. Big up, big up, big up. We come through the storm and we make it. The best thing about Irma are the food stamp. Hallelujah. And one thing we have to tell Jerkfest, we're never going to start take EBT. Oh, any of Jerkfest they take EBT, me not stop by pork. After all, you think we'll start up in our line for so long? Eh? I promise you, ladies and gentlemen, but you know what? It's a good thing to be here. It's a pleasure to be here, and I'm proud of my Jamaican heritage, and I'm proud that I am a Jamaican living in foreign. Remember me tell you. Now let me see all the people at the gym have a cheat day. You have a cheat day? See, my girl have a cheat day. You know it go already. Eat like ice cream and piece of pizza. Yeah man, me and my brethren, we work out hard and we make our family got the gym, my wife got the gym, Fim wife got the gym and things. So today are the cheat day. Last week we did have a cheat day, but it never worked out for him because me carry home ice cream and cake and pizza, him carry home him secretary. Instead of the hospital, that's why I couldn't come.
Anything after me, stone get thing off of that. Good, get thing off of that. Light post, me get thing off. I light wire, me get liquid that. But my mother's favorite thing was the pot cover, you know, man. My mother used to steal the pot cover like a boomerang, you know, man. If it miss me, it just come right back to her, you know. Only thing I like, I tell you, she had the skill, and she goes, whoop, off of the middle, and say, yeah, Mr. Run, and me, I run, and him just gonna shoot, and it miss me, he just gonna and catch him back, and say, where that again, bro? She said, don't tip boy, I'm ready again. No, when I come to think my name was Dirty Boy, you know.
All those who are here right now for increased immigration, know for them over there. So Jamaica is the best place in the world to run from. I mean, come from. It's a great place. It's the best piece of rock on earth. Am I right or am I right? No, talk to me. If I say okay, you must say all right. And if I say all right, you must say okay. Okay? All right. Okay. All right. So at this point, okay, don't know. All right, stop. Okay. All right. Okay. Johnny made some very important points about how things and time change. Because me is an old-time young boy, and I miss the old-time days. Anybody else here who miss the old-time days? Anybody old make a dance, the party of dance with the girlfriend, and you see, son? No, there's bad that keep on the man them down there and on them whole night. I mean, are they that ugly? You can't face them? I don't get it. In the party was one guy, one girl a date. And dance together. And you begin by saying, may I dance with you? Can I have this dance? That no work again. You know, I go to a party and I say, may I have this dance? You want to do what dance? She don't understand the concept of asking her permission to inflict my body odor upon her.
After the comedy show is back to more chances to win prizes and surprises. Watch Joshua now, watch Joshua. And along came the rain. Yes, this little unexpected downpour stayed with us for the rest of the day, but it never dampened the spirit at all at all. The Jerkfest went on just the same, as smooth as so. Yeah, people never afraid of the rain at all.
I left Jamaica when I was 18 years old, and I put on the freshman 15, which then became the freshman 40, which then became the freshman 45, and at my heaviest, I was almost 200 pounds. And since then, I have been on a mission to becoming my healthier self and bringing everybody along the journey with me. I wrote a book called Wake Up and Live that will be released to everybody on November 24th. I'm very, very excited about it. It is a mind, body, spirit approach to lifestyle change. And you can get it at wakeupanдлivethebook.com.
My mind says to me, and my belly agree. There's nothing sweet like Yardie Belly TV.
Blessings.
I mean the blacker, big enough. Yardie Belly TV, check it. YouTube, WhatsApp, whatever. So go find out. Yardie Belly TV, good for you, good for me. You see?
Wake up and live. Can't you see all the love around? Yeah. Get up and give. What goes around comes right back around. Wake up and live. For we live the life we choose. Yeah. Get up and give. So much to gain and we got nothing to lose.
Yardie Ganda.
Yes, sir.
When you see me up on the real Nami TV, you know. Yardie Belly TV. I look at them there, the great and charm. Talk up now.
Yes, we're up on the Yardie Belly. Although me not gonna belly, but me soon get what well, me too late for belly thing. Right? That's not me. But Yardie Belly, big up.
And the great owner of Yardie Belly have one rotty belly. But it's alright, because in Jamaica, with the good things, need shelter. So pick up yourself, it's a Yardie Belly TV. We love the delectable news of your show, and the comedy and the jokes of your kid. Shiny Live! Pick up yourself, it's great.
Bemba tell you.
Everything good. You can have fun with it.
Say that you care. Say you love me, make me out like you be there. The doctor tell me we're going to live for only 3 years. And guess what? I'm 2017 now. I'm there. So all of the people who are them family and friend and the loved one who diagnosed with cancer, tell them don't give up. Just listen to your man, sir. Are you alright? Right down there.
Singing from the joy on this lovely day. On this lovely day. Yeah. We're singing that song. Last time. Always well. Always well. Yeah. Baby, love, love, love.
Mother Nature said to me, if I sing our song, sing it all. One time to see us, tell me if we can reach
sing a song of love. Sing a song to joy. Let go. Alright. I'll be down oh yeah. Waiting for the good Lord to bless my way. Yes, ma'am. Sing again. I'll be down yeah, yeah. Sing a song to joy. Song to joy. On this lovely day. Yeah.
So there you have it, guys, a little wrap up of Jerk Festival 2017. It was a pleasure to share the stage with my peers in the comedy field, Christopher Daly and Owen Blacker Ellis. It was a great joy to see Jamaican culture being enhanced and established. Yardie Belly TV making a little bit of headways in the South Florida area. Stick and stay, like, subscribe, share and all them something there. Until the next time we hit the road again. Remember me tell you.